So good afternoon everyone, it's me again Christian Suerte and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So again and again, welcome back again. So it's me again Christian Suerte. So for today's video, we will going to unbox the new parcel. The new received parcel. Okay, from Percy Porcelana. Okay, for today's video, unahin natin siya hiwain dito. Hiwain natin siya hanggang matanggal siya, guys. That is it. And I do not know how they wrap it. How they wrap this, rather pala. Wrap. Ano ang tawag doon? Cover. Oh my god. Actually guys, bilhin namin dito is 260 ata to. Pero I will explain to you step by step before. Magkano yung bili ko dito isa-isa nito, pero sit na kasi itong nasa kanila kasi. Ito, pagkabili ko nito before is only 70 pesos. Itong soap. At saka ito naman is 90 pesos. So, 160 na lahat. 160 at saka ito 60 lang to. So, medyo may kamahalan sa pagbili dito sa TikTok, pero no choice. Chart. I am using this and I love Porcelana no matter what happened because I didn't use any beauty products aside from Porcelana. So can't you see that, guys? That is very dark and some of the part of my neck are very color dark rather. I mean not color, it's a dark. And I have so many pimples around in my face, and then my face is getting hard because I didn't use it. I believe I can fly. It's so hard to explain it into English. Okay, ito na gagamitin natin, guys. So Porcelana. So abang-abangan nyo yung updates kung ano yung nagiging epekto ng Porcelana sa buhay ko, because the last time I used this is very kumikinang talaga yung face ko, and I am really shocked to the outcome after I use this. Yes, that is it. So ito pala yung ano niya. So be careful lang pala, guys, sa mga bibili ng Porcelana. Dapat yung ano nyo, dapat kasi may ano kasi siya. Marami kasi itong lagayan talaga na ba. Minsan ito hindi color dilaw, pero kapag color dilaw kasi yung niyo, it means siya, original siya. Kapag yung tubig kasi hindi masyadong tumatalab kasi sa mukha, parang lang siya, parang ordinary water. Sir?